Just sitting on top of Mount Trashmore here in Cedar Rapids, taking in the sights, a couple of the smells. Doesn't get much better than this. All right, let's get back to the office.
Made for me, you were. You were made for me. 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 You were.
Hello, I'm Dr. Matthew Morris and I'm here at Rudimentary Health, and today is our first cooking episode. I'm really excited to get started. We're going to be cooking a dish that gets us 5 points on the Mediterranean diet score. Remember, with the Mediterranean diet, we get the benefits of weight loss, but along with weight loss, we also get decreased chances of heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, and it decreases blood pressure as well. So today we're going to be making pan-seared oven-roasted chicken thighs with a strawberry and walnut salad and a honey lime vinaigrette. Let's get started. Got our chicken breast. Now I'm going to lay the chicken breast down and away. That way it doesn't splatter up on us. Okay, we want to just get a nice sear on this chicken. That's called the Maillard reaction, where we get just a nice little brown crust right onto the chicken. All right, let's take a look. Cut up, turn nice and brown. Lay it down on the other side. While our chicken is roasting in the oven, we've got about 8 to 12 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and prepare our salad. This is gonna be a strawberry and walnut salad with a honey lime vinaigrette. We're gonna try to keep this root right here intact. Instead of chopping it off here, we're gonna chop it this way. Make our honey lime vinaigrette. I really like making vinaigrette. You can just put it into your fridge, have it available for a salad. You can break it out pretty quickly. Stays good for anywhere from 3 to sometimes up to 7 days. This is the secret to making a good vinaigrette. Of olive oil here, 1. And if you make a mess like I just did, that's okay. We're keeping it real here at Rudimentary Health. Vinaigrettes are typically going to be a mixture of an oil, a vinegar, or an acid, and then some type of binder. In this case, you can see here how the oil and the vinegars, along with our acid, which is the lime, just doesn't want to mix. So what we use as binders is our honey and our mustard, and that'll really help kind of bring all that together. The best thing that you can do to help break up the oil molecules and help that vinegar and the acid to combine is to put it into one of these clear containers here. They're about $1 to $2. You can buy them at just about any type of department store. And then you just want to really shake this really well. And that's been shown to be as effective or more so than even food processors. Here, let's shake it up. That's really come together nicely and made up a nice vinaigrette that is going to be delicious. Yeah, that's good. Okay, we're gonna pull our chicken out of the oven now and take a look and check the temperature. We want it to be at 165 or above. Using chicken thighs here, so you can actually let that temperature go even a little bit higher if it gets up to 180, even sometimes 190. It's a nice thing about chicken thighs, a little bit more forgiving. Let's check the temperature and we'll see where we're at. Okay, we want to stick the thermometer into the thickest part of our chicken. All right, we're gonna let those rest for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna finish up our salad, and then we'll be ready to eat. So when we cut these, we want to cut these nice and thin, spread them out on the plate, makes for a beautiful presentation. Okay, now we want to talk about getting this onto a plate. When we plate our food, we want to think about plating style. It's for a beautiful plate, and it actually influences the way that we eat and how much we eat. Here we're using about a 7.5 inch plate in diameter, and we're gonna fill most of that plate with our salad, and then we're gonna come back and put in our meat and really fill out that space. So we want to try to stack things high and not wide. We want lots of colors. First with our salad, we're gonna fill the rest of that space there. Okay, so in looking at this dish, if we think about our Mediterranean diet points, and again, if you don't know what that is, I'm gonna link the Mediterranean Diet Simplified video below, but we're gonna see that our meat is about 4 ounces or less, so that's 1 point per day there. We've got a lot of vegetables, which is another point. We've got fruit and nuts, which is another point. We don't have too much dairy, which is another point. Those olive oils, which is 5 points right there. And you decrease your chance for heart disease, heart attack, strokes, and you look amazing from your effective amount of weight loss. I hope you like this, and hope to see you soon. All right. Now, it's always a good idea to try these out before you serve it to your friends, family, or even yourself. Yeah, that's good. That's all I got to say.